Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be sharing just kind of a haul from a place called Yeyeo Botanica. They have a YouTube channel where they have all sorts of just educational videos about different topics, particularly as it pertains to you know, traditional workings for what I would consider like maybe hoodoo or African folk magic, right? So I made an order because I'm subscribed to them, and I got an email saying that it was, you know, that time of year where they have their Lucky New Year kit coming up for purchase. And so I was like, well, I'm gonna see what that's about. Gonna get into it. The shipment did come in two separate orders because the Lucky New Year kit would not be ready in time. So I have been waiting. I did get the Lucky New Year kit before New Year's, thankfully. So I'm gonna kind of go through what is what. So, because I did also just buy some items from their shop just for fun. So I've been really into condition work lately. So unlock incense stick for like, you know, unlocking doors, opening blocked roads, things like that. Unlocking, unblocking. So that's pretty cool. The anti-stress incense sticks. All of this smells like heaven, by the way. This is chasing powder or Vesta powder. So just a nice small amount for my personal use. I got a porcupine quill. I've been meaning for one for my bone throwing. So beautiful. You can also write with them. I have written with them in the past. Good luck incense. The protection. Where did I put the protection? It says eucalyptus, but I don't know if they sent me the wrong one or what happened, but that's what I have. The Open Roads incense, which I'm really excited about. Good Fortune incense. I had the New Year's in mind. I just was thinking like all the things that I want to bring into my life, right? Attract money incense. And some special things that I got specifically for my ancestral work is gold monies, gold dollar bills, ancestor money. So these are really cool and beautiful and sturdy. And then gold money envelopes, also for ancestor work. So I'm going to use it for myself and to bless some of my close friends, you know, as an abundance ritual. So then this is the this is the New Year's blessing kit, large. So I got the largest one that they had because you know me, that's how I roll. And it came with these items and a spell. Lucky New Year Blessing Kit. So a 7-color candle. Yeyeo soap, which is right here. It smells good. This whole thing smells just like divine. Pomegranate pear, shea butter, coconut oil, and palm oil. Courage, concentration, luck, wishes, and wealth. Works with these orisha as well. I'll show you guys. It smells so good. I'm so excited. Okay. So then we have the Lucky Bean Mix. We have Lucky New Year's Oil. With, smells good, smells good. Herbs. And then we have Dragon's Blood Incense. And Mercury Seal. And the Lucky New Year Potion. Road Opening Luck and Money. And it smells nice. Alright. Some other items is like this little, I think it's a soap for me to try. Some coupons. And as a gift, a Lucky New Year Mojo Bag. Road Opening, Empowerment, Success in All Things. So, basically the spell is that you dress your candle with the oil and the herbs. You know how to fix a candle. Set up your candle on a plate in a safe area. Spread the lucky beans around it. Put the bottle of oil next to the candle and a glass of water beside the plate. Write your name and anything you desire on the back of the Mercury seal. Keep it simple. Mercury seal serves to open doors of any kind and nothing it encounters can resist it. Place the seal next to your candle. Light the candle, burning only one color section a day. Pray for your wishes and desires for the upcoming year. Burn incense around the candle every day while the candle is burning. Use the spiritual soap the entire time you are burning the candle, concentrating again. Oh my lord. Sorry about that, guys. Concentrating again on your wishes for the upcoming new year. Every day while the candle is burning, take some of the bean mix and throw it into a crossword or intersection near where you live. Repeat your prayer every time you do this. Keep a little bit of the beans for good luck. Once the candle finishes burning, the oil can be worn every day, carried with you, or added to candles, baths, or more. Carry the seal with you for personal empowerment and success all throughout the year. Use the Lucky New Year potion for extra blessings as needed throughout the year. Use as a splash of perfume, add to baths, etc. Pray for the opening of your roads, the removal of obstacles, negativity in all areas of your life. State your prayer strongly every day as the candle is burning. So this is great, beautiful magic. I cannot wait to do it. I love all of these items. I love supporting a practitioner of colors business. Absolutely recommend them 100%. This is Yeyeo Botanica. I'm going to leave some links in the description below. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.